Our oceans are one of the most interesting places in the world, yet much about the planet's oceans remains a mystery. As of the year 2000, the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration estimated that as much as 95% of the world's oceans and 99% of the ocean floor are unexplored.
The Atlantic Ocean, a body of water covering approximately 1/5 of the Earth's surface and separating the continents of Europe and Africa to the east from those of North and South America to the west. The ocean's name, derived from Greek mythology, means the Sea of Atlas. It is second in size to the Pacific Ocean. In these depths contain lethal predators which us humans know very little about. Venture with us as we dive deeper than ever before to witness the marine battles you never knew about. To start our journey, we will be starting on the violent surface of the Atlantic Ocean. I welcome you to the giant squid.
In today's episode, these sea beasts will be battling an even bigger sea beast, the sperm whale.
In choosing how to react to this situation, your lifelong instincts will tell you to do one thing, but I implore you to do the opposite. Let the games begin.
Somebody has to die.
Because the ocean is vast and giant squid live deep underwater, they remain elusive and are rarely seen. Most of what we know comes from dead carcasses that floated to the surface and were found by fishermen. But occasionally, they do explore the surface. Like other squid species, they have 8 arms and 2 longer feeding tentacles that help them bring food to their beak-like mouths.
Live or die.
The beasts live in extreme depths of the ocean at 1,000 meters of water. As you descend into the ocean, pressure increases linearly with depth. There is an increase in pressure of 1 for every 10 meters increase in depth. So at 1,000 meters depth, the pressure would be at 101 atm. That's the same amount of pressure as the atmosphere of Venus, or the same weight as a military tank being forced upon a human body.
On the other hand, sperm whales are known to dive as deep as 3,280 feet in search of squid to eat. These giant mammals must hold on to their breath for up to 90 minutes on such dives. These historic rivals don't collide often, but when they do, it's often carnage. These giant mammals use echolocation to track their prey. The sound used when locating fish is extremely loud and can burst a human eardrum. The echolocation sends a signal to the brain, pinpointing the prey and finding their exact location. Another easy meal for the sperm whale. Sperm whales often get beached with serious wounds. Some may ask, is this the giant squid? Although never physically recorded before, we are going to show you a reenactment of what would happen between a sperm whale and a giant squid.
The two giants collide with colossal quantities of pure aggression. The only thought exchanging their mind is that of death. The main defense mechanism of the squid is a dark black ink, which can be used to create a smokescreen. This ink can temporarily confuse predators, allowing the squid's precious time to attempt their escape. The squid blinds the sperm whale with its ink and escapes to the whale's grasp. These two sizable devils are just few of the beasts that roam the deep. Join us by subscribing as we post similar content every week. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.